The Milky Way galaxy dazzles, filling the void with its majestic swirl of stars and cosmic dust. The camera shifts, revealing Andromeda Galaxy, a celestial neighbor, similarly vast and awe-inspiring. Across the expanse of space, text appears, labeling each galaxy, Milky Way and Andromeda. A voice echoes through the cosmos. These two galaxies are cosmic neighbors, colossal in size and separated by vast distances. In the simulation room, a scientist confidently gestures, surrounded by holographic galaxies inching ever closer. The holographic display shows the galaxies swirling toward one another, mirroring the scientist's vivid explanation. As you can see, the scientist begins. The immense gravitational pull between these galaxies is the primary driver of their eventual collision. The on-screen text helps visualize the timescale and forces involved, the scientist notes. The galaxies are drawn together, and in 4.5 billion years, it will be a spectacular event. In the far future, Earth witnesses a night sky transformed by merging galaxies, a cosmic ballet of destruction and rebirth. Andromeda, the newly formed galaxy, dominates the heavens, a testament to the universe's endless evolution. The galaxies collide and reshape, a dance of celestial bodies unfolding over eons. The narrator speaks of the solar system's fate. Potential outcomes for the solar system include the possibility of being ejected into intergalactic space or finding a new orbit within the merged galaxy. In the hushed observatory, astronomers focus intently as powerful telescopes hum, probing the mysteries of distant galaxies. Across vast screens, predicting the future and cosmic evolution are displayed. The data is compelling. The Andromeda Milky Way collision is, without a doubt, inevitable. But the simulations, while increasingly sophisticated, still present a range of possibilities. The exact consequences remain uncertain and subject to continuous study. We refine our models daily, incorporating new observations